triple integration. And one more problem. Evaluate triple integration x plus y plus z dx dy dz. Here R is the region bounded by the plane. X is equal to 0, y equal to 0, z is equal to 0, and x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So to evaluate this triple integration, we must require the limits of x, y, z. The limits of x, y, z are obtained from this region, and R is bounded by the planes x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, z is equal to 0, and this plane. We are all know that x is equal to 0 means x-axis, and here x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Means the region is in first octant and the plane is this. So this is our plane. So this is our plane. The plane is x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Right? Now how to get the limits of x, y, z? First we should get the limits of z. The given region is R, is shown in this figure. In this region, z varies. Z varies from xy plane. Xy plane to the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So z varies from xy plane to this plane, xy to this plane. So in xy, that is in xy plane z is 0, and from this z is 1 minus x minus y. So these are the limits of z. And for z is equal to 0, y varies. Now we require y limits. Y varies from x-axis to the plane to the line. X plus y plus z, z is 0 equal to 1. From this y equal to 1 minus x. So therefore for y and for z is equal to 0, when for y z is equal to 0, y is 0 to in a from x-axis, at x-axis y is 0 and y is 1 minus x. So finally for z is equal to y 0, so x is varies from 0 to, so x plus y plus z is equal to 1, y 0, z 0, z is equal to 1. So x limits are 0 to 1 and y limits are 0 to 1 minus x, and z limits are 0 to 1 minus x minus y. So all lower limits are 0 because of the region is in first octant. So lower limit of x is 0, lower limit of y is 0, and lower limit of z is 0. Right? And the upper limits of x, y, z are obtained from the boundaries of the region. Now evaluate the given integration. X plus y plus z dx dy dz is equal to, so x limits are constant. We know if the limits are constant, we integrate last, and y limits are 0 to 1 minus x, and z limits are 0 to 1 minus x minus y. X plus y plus z, integrating with respect to z first because of z limits are functions of xy and y limits are functions of x, so that second integration with respect to y and last is with respect to x. So let us see the integration. X is equal to 0 to 1 and y equal to 0 to 1 minus x. So now see, so here while integrating with respect to z, x plus y is constant, x plus y into constant integrating with respect to z is z, plus z integration of z is z square by 2, and substitute limits of z and dy dx. Next to integrating x is equal to 0 to 1, integrating y equal to 0 to 1 minus x. Substitute upper limit in place of z. Upper limit is 1 minus x minus y. plus again it is 1 minus x minus y whole squared by 2 dy dx. Then integrating x is equal to 0 to 1 and y equal to 0 to 1 minus x. So after simplifying we get like this. So 1 by 2 1 minus x plus y whole square dy dx. So and after integration with respect to y, it is 1 by 2 x is equal to 0 to 1 y, integration of 1 is y, and integration of x plus y whole square with respect to y is 1 by 3 x plus y whole cube, and limits of x y are 0 to 1 minus x, and then integrating with respect to x. 1 by 2 integrating x is equal to 0 to 1, substitute upper limit in place of x, and 1 minus x minus 1 by 3 in place of y. So 1 minus x whole cube, and lower limit in place of y 0 minus 1 by 3 x plus 0 whole cube, integrating with respect to x. 1 by 2 x is equal to 0 to 1, it is 1 minus x, here x's get cancelled, it is 1 by 3 minus it is plus 1 by 3 x cube dx. So simplifying this, x is equal to 0 to 1, it is 1 minus x minus 1 by 3 plus x cube by 3. So taking LCM 1 by 2, integrating x is equal to 0 to 1. So it is 3 minus 3x minus 1 plus x cube dx. So 1 by 2 1 by 3 is 1 by 6, integrating x is equal to 0 to 1. 2 minus 3x plus x cube dx. Now integrating with respect to x gives 2x minus 3x squared by 2 x power 4 by 4, limit 0 to 1. So 1 by 6, when you substitute upper limit in place of x, it is 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 4, and lower limit is 0. So after simplifying this, 4 is LCM 8, so 6 plus 1 by 6, so 2 plus 3 by 4, and answer is 2 times will get cancelled, 1 by 8.